The new Samsung notebook here at the Windows event. So who are you?
So my name is Blake Mitchell with Microsoft, and today I'm just going to quickly show you the newly announced Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. And so this device, having a beautiful display and an actually really thin design, is a 2-in-1 design, as you may notice, supporting a USB-C and HDMI on the side. It also supports 2 full-size USB ports and a micro SD port on the other side.
High-speed ports.
Absolutely. And what makes this device really unique from Samsung is it actually comes with a garaged S Pen. And you may notice that when I pull this S Pen out, it also launches a Windows Ink workspace along the right-hand side. So you can quickly access the Windows Ink features that you know and love.
And it has a nice touch technology. It's not a Wacom, it's another digitizer technology that Samsung's doing. And a nice keyboard. So is there a release date, price yet on this one?
I won't be able to speak towards pricing or availability yet,
And
but
it goes
you can expect more here soon.
Tent mode.
It does. It goes into tent mode, as you may notice. Tablet.
And when you're in tent mode, the camera is still in the bottom, right? Yeah.
When you're in tent mode, the camera would still be right where the top of the screen normally would be in laptop mode.
Right.